Hey Shifu family, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about recession and why is it a good move for you to start your own company right now, especially in the recession. And you may wonder, when everything is going up, cost of supply is going up, when things surrounding you are just getting more and more expensive, gas more expensive, I know, and you just feel like it may not be a good time. But I want you to think of it this way, based on all the statistics, okay? Microsoft, Uber, Airbnb, and many more names to come. All those names, you already know them. What you don't know about them is that they actually started during the recession. When everyone else are afraid, when everyone else are sitting on the sideline, those founders actually take on and started. And when you can step up and start your own company, your chance of success will be way much higher because the competition are now less and less. But it doesn't mean that you can start and be successful right away with your startup. There's going to be things that you need to consider. And that's why I want to share with you these tips to help you build your own company during the recession and thrive with it. These are the tips that I actually used myself when I first started my business, also during the 2020 situation, and even right now I'm building another company, and I want to share with you this so that you can build your own company as well. So let's get to it. So here are the 5 tips that new founders need to consider, especially during the recession, if you want to improve your chance of success with your startup. Number 1, I want you to focus on your target market. During the recession, it's important to focus on the needs and the demands of your target market and the audience. For example, if you are launching a company that are actually selling luxury goods, you may want to reconsider or to pivot something that are more affordable to other people, especially right now when money are tight, so that you open up more market for yourself rather than just focusing on one single luxury market. Number 2, when it's come to starting your own company during the recession, is that you need to be adapting to the changing situation and circumstances. A recession could bring a lot of rapid change and things could turn south anytime. So it's important for you to adapt to the current environment and always on the lookout for the movements of the market. How is your customer currently reacting to your products, to your services, and how you can adapt to solve the problem that are arising. If you think about Nokia, why are they dead? Because they're not adaptive to the environment. When Apples are launching their smartphone where it's touchable, Nokia just stick to their brick with all the keyboard, and that's not a great way for you to adapt. And that's why Nokia are dead. So be adaptive to the current situation and always on the lookout on how you can improve, how you can change, adapt to the current demand of the customer. Number 3, when it's come to controlling your success rate, when it's come to starting a company during the recession, is that you need to control your costs. Remember, a business can never run on a negative. And if you don't understand, if you don't have a throughout look of your books, then it's going to be hard for you to manage your cash. It's going to be hard for you to manage your expenses. And when you are being messy with your expenses, you may not know you're actually losing money or gaining money. And in addition, you want to be aware of the cost of others, supplies that actually involve with your business or subscription. You may want to reconsider how to find alternative to reduce the cost of those supplies or services, but still you want to maintain your profit margin or maybe a little bit less. A good example, what I can tell you is that you need to focusing on providing more value to your customer, building a strong customer relationship so that you don't have to throw so much money into advertising. Remember, when you're focusing on your customer would eventually become your marketing channel through friends and family, through word of mouth. You constantly look out for new and new customer because eventually you would exhaust your target audience, your customer. So may as well just focus on your customer. Number 4, I want you to stay focused on your long-term vision when it's come to build your company during the recession, because there's going to be many times there's going to be up and down. There's going to be time that you want to quit. There's going to be time that your team member may not see the same journey, the same vision as you. But you as a leader, I want you to hold on to that long-term vision. I want you to hold on to that dreams and always find a way possible to make things work. That's why it's so important to write down your goal and stay laser focused on it. This will help you stay motivated and will help keep your business on track. Even in the phase where you are facing event of setback, when your team member want to quit, you may want to talk to them about why we want to start the journey in the first place. And lastly, number 5, when it's come to building your company during the recession and increase the chance of success, you want to seek out for opportunity for collaboration and partnership. The reason why it's so important, especially during this time, is when you are looking for collaboration, when you're looking for partnership, you are reducing your risk on your end. especially during the recession. It's so difficult for you to just go alone by yourself. And it may as well better for you to bring on another partner, another collaboration where they can help you, they can motivate you. In addition, if your partners may have a different business that are sharing the same target customer or ideal customer, you may want to collaborate so that you can reach out to another market so that you are not singly depending on just one type of audience. For example, you can join other group startup where they are founders in there actually starting their company during the recession, and they don't care about other people telling them to stay on the sideline. Those are the people you want to surround yourself with, and we do have a community, and I'm putting it down in the description box below so that you can actually join and surround yourself with future founders that want to improve their lives, and join force with them for maybe perhaps a cross promotional or pull into resources and expertise. Remember, if you want to go fast, you can go by yourself, but if you want to go far and you want to go long term, find some friends, some partners to go along with. Okay, I hope these tips actually helping you guys because it helped me during my time. Remember, you have to have an end goal in mind and always looking for friends and partners to join the journey to the top and finding success for yourself. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and comment down below what you think and what company or services that you want to start right now during the recession. Okay, and I want you to join the Facebook groups where we're going to share with you how to stay focused, how to uplift each other up, and go further and build the next legendary brand for yourself. Peace for now.